If you keep getting prompts to set up OneDrive or Windows Hello every time you turn on the computer, like the one you see on your screen, you can disable those in one go. The process is easier than you think, and you don't have to click on Remind Me in 3 days every single time. So simply press the Windows and I keys to open Settings, then go to the System tab and select Notifications. In here, scroll down to the bottom and click on Additional Settings. On your PC, there may be a lot more entries here. Now, untick the checkboxes for both Suggest Ways and Get Tips. Finally, restart the computer, and the OneDrive prompt shouldn't appear anymore. Moving on to the registry method, open the search menu, type Registry Editor, and click on the result. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Now, paste this path in the address bar and hit Enter. I have added the path in the video's description. You can copy it from there. Double-click the D word in here, set the value data to 0, and click OK to save the changes. The Let's Finish Setting Up Your Device prompt shows up when the value data is set to 1. Keep in mind that you may need to restart the system for the changes to fully take effect. But that's it, no more prompts. Another thing, a lot of tutorials out there suggest making changes via Registry Editor, which is an option. But unless you have changed notification settings here, you won't see the UserProfileEngagement registry key. See here, it's from a system where I am still running Windows with the default settings, and the key doesn't exist. It will only appear after you untick the checkboxes under Additional Settings. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick smart tech tip again.